Hello, how are you? Uh, Good morning, or good afternoon, or good evening. This is Daf speaking, the database guy. I'm here to show you what I have got for you. Okay, uh, I have all the database which is required for marketing. I can help you to get the maximum clients for your business. What I have made is I've collected data from different sources and I'm selling this database in very good price and giving away in just 7,500 rupees. You will get the complete set of database of India and worldwide. In India, I have all the categories, all the states, all the cities. You will be getting complete Excel format and text format for all the states and all the cities in India. As you can see here, this is the states. We will be having mobiles data and emails data. In this price, you will never get this database anywhere in the world. Okay, I'm going to give you the database which is really going to help you to make business or income. Okay, let's take a look in Goa database. Here you will have everything real, all updated data. Okay, you will really love this data and you will not need to worry about the authenticity or the update of it. You will be having the name of the person, his email ID, mobile number, what he is doing, his address, and this is what's required for you to make marketing for your business. The database is very huge and it's categorized in many categories. Okay, I can show you by category wise as well. We have advertising agencies, advocates, agencies, automobiles, banks. In banks data you will have details of so many accounts holder with for sure there is no account number or visa number or PIN number, but you will have the contact details of the person. We have different banks, okay, and we will supply you with all this data, okay, to make sure that you are getting everything. We have a lot of categories, as you can see here. This is just overview of the categories. I will help you all the way in case if you require something customized. We are going to provide you that as well, okay, and in very minimum price. We will not charge you more, okay, if you want custom data. If you are looking for specific data or cities data, we can help you with that. We have very huge range of database which can really suit your business and help you to get clients from your local area. We have all locations, all cities around India and worldwide. Our prices is very cheap compared to others, and we will help you to make the maximum out of this investment, okay, and make sure that you are happy and you are getting business. We will not give any more discount because this is very minimum price, which is 7,500 for everything, not only Indian database. Plus, if you want, I can give you also UAE database, Gulf database, UK, USA, Canada, Australia, and many other databases. In case if you require any SMS marketing or WhatsApp marketing or web designing or email marketing, I can do that for you as well in very cheap price. If you have any question, please don't hesitate to call me anytime at this number which is mentioned here, okay. In case if you want dedicated server to send email every day, you can send unlimited email in just 1,000 dirham per month, which is around 18,000 rupees, okay. It's like 500 per day, okay, 500 rupees per day. You can send unlimited number of emails, even 1 million emails. Payment details is mentioned here, okay, and if you have any question, please don't hesitate to contact me directly. I will be more than happy to assist you better. This is the database guy. Enjoy your time, enjoy your business, and be hopeful, and I'm here to help you. Take care of yourself till we meet next video. Bye.